India's first eye drops to remove the need for reading glasses, PresVu, has been approved by the Drug Regulatory Agency after deliberating on it for more than 2 years. A single drop of the medicine starts working in just 15 minutes and its effect remain for the next 6 hours. If the second drop is also poured within the 3 to 6 hours of the first drop, the effect will stay even longer, up to 9 hours. The medicine has received commercialization approval and soon the drug will hit shelves in October. The drug will be available for Rs 345. This will be a prescription-based medicine where you need a valid prescription from a registered medical practitioner. The medicine is being pitched as a solution to remove reading glasses. However, multiple eye experts told News 18 that in the real world scenario, replacing spectacles with reusable eye drops may not be a good idea in the long run. They said that the drops can offer a stopgap arrangement but do not offer a lifetime solution or a miracle cure. Multiple doctors told News 18 that these eye drops are a temporary solution for reading problems as the effect of the drug will last for just 4 to 6 hours and the drops will be needed 1 to 2 times a day lifelong. Hence, in such a scenario, they would suggest people consider spectacles as a preferred long-term solution as some side effects are also associated with these eye drops, which include blurred distance vision, headache and rarely possible retinal detachment. Doctors believe that using these drops is like flogging a tired horse. The horse will run a little bit, but eventually it will tire off and fall.
A recently introduced eye drops called PresVu containing pilocarpine has taken the country by storm. While this drug has been in use for the management of glaucoma for decades, it has now got approval for the use of a new indication, that is to help us to see for near. Normally, when we see for near, the muscles inside our eye contract, increasing the power of our lens and constricting the pupil. This process, called accommodation, helps us to focus on near objects. As we age, by around 40 years of age, we start losing this ability, a process called presbyopia, and need external additional lenses to see for near. Till date, the most successful long-term and popular solution for this is the use of these spectacles for near. Pilocarpine drops stimulate these eye muscles and allow us to see for near without the need of additional lenses. This can provide a temporary solution for reading problems as the effect of the drug will last for about 4 to 6 hours and the drops will be needed about 1 to 2 times a day for all your life or as long as you want to be spectacle free for near. Persons who regularly use glasses for distance like I do will still continue to need them as these drops only help for near vision. Also, studies have shown that the amount of near correction these drops provide is usually in the range of about 1 to 1.5 diopters, so they may be useful primarily in early presbyopia. It is important to know that there are side effects associated with the use of pilocarpine drops, which include blurred vision for distance, headaches, and rarely there are some reports of serious adverse events like retinal detachment. Please remember that these drops are prescription only and it is important to consult your doctor before using them.
While the results of the phase 3 clinical trials shared by the company are quite encouraging, experts believe that the success of these medicines in clinical trials is just half battle won. Let's listen to one more expert.
Hello, I'm Dr. Meenakshi Dhar. I'm head of the department and professor at Amrita Institute of Medical Sciences in Faridabad. I am going to give my comments here on the new eye drop which has just been launched to eliminate use of glasses for patients who are presbyopes. This is actually a low dose pilocarpine. Pilocarpine has long been, for over 75 years, been a medication for glaucoma. And it was because of its side effects that it has become less popular. In fact, it's third line of medication. It causes headaches, it causes eye pain, and a lot of discomfort. This is the one which is being used for presbyopia is a low dose, 1.25%. And this can only be a temporary measure, will need to be instilled daily, will have an effect only for 8 hours, and may cause headaches, which will make the patient need a painkiller or so. So I don't think it's going to be very practical. And its daily usage may lead to a lot of irritation in the eyes as well. And the patients who are going to probably benefit from it are patients who are 40 to 55 years of age, who had never used glasses in their lives like our emmetropes, or have a small plus power. In fact, patients who are myopes or have a long eye and use concave lenses to correct their vision should not be using it, because pilocarpine has been associated with retinal tears and retinal complications. So my take on this is that we'll have to wait and see as to if any patients get benefited. If they do, it will need a daily installation and may be more cumbersome than picking up a pair of glasses and just seeing the world with it.
Overall, this means that we need to wait and watch, and we will see how the drug will behave when it is used by the masses. Instead, today we have many other practical solutions such as multifocal lenses, which gives the same effect. Hence, only time will tell if these eye drops are useful for daily usage or not.